This is not a sign of something good. This was a hailstorm that happened in Guadalajara. It dropped 5 feet of hail. 5 feet of hail overnight. That's not normal. Hail, yeah. I mean, I kind of don't know what to say about this. I mean, I have trouble blaming climate change for any single event. After all, it's about climate. Climate isn't an event like this. This is weather. But when weather gets this weird, has anybody ever heard about 5 feet of hail being dropped?
I'm from Minnesota.
Well, sure, but 5 feet at once? I mean, it hails a lot there and you get tornadoes and everything, but I've never heard, like, welcome to the Twin Cities, we had 3 feet of hail yesterday. So I don't know, but yeah, it was completely crazy.
Oh my God, dude.
Yeah, so this is a truck pushing it out of the way. I mean, yeah, very strange stuff going on. They don't look very large. They look small, but I didn't get an exact number, but it looks like it was popcorny. So anyhow, it's so depressing thinking about climate, so we all need a little kitten.